Hello, welcome to another 10 at 10. Tonight Ace is on vacation, so we're filling in with some of the leaders on the call. And tonight we have a special guest, Maria, who is Ace's assistant. And I am so thrilled to introduce you tonight, Maria. Welcome to the call. Thank you for sharing what you have. All right, so welcome, Maria. Maria?
Yes. Can you
Oh,
hear me?
okay. Yes,
Yeah.
now yes. Welcome to the call, Maria. Thank you.
Hi. Such a pleasure to be here. Can you hear me,
Yes,
guys?
yes.
Yeah.
Ace just wanted you on the call so that you can tell everybody like your role with the company, with Ace, how you're of such value to us. Hmm.
Hi. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today, and I share a bit role as a virtual executive assistant of our boss, Ace Fletcher. He's such a very good boss, to be honest. While the world of work might seem different, with responsibilities are just as vital and impactful as those of a traditional in-office assistant. Because I'm working virtually, and my days are filled with a diverse range of tasks, all aimed at supporting our boss, the newcomers, and also you guys. And ensuring a smooth operations of our team, from interviewing candidates as well to troubleshooting technical issues. Some of it, just the basic one, like the clear cache, the using the control shift delete. I think everyone knows that. um my role requires a unique blend of skills, communication, and problem solving. Let me walk you through, guys, in a typical day in my virtual world. Usually, when my day begins, because my shift starts at 11 Eastern time to 8 p.m. So that's 11 p.m. here in the Philippines, then 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. So my day begins with a quick check of our boss calendar, a virtual hub of meetings, then check the deadlines and appointments, and ensure that everything is scheduled strategically, the reminders are set, and any potential conflicts are resolved proactively. So for today's agenda, I include a virtual interview with a potential candidate for our team. I interviewed one candidate, actually. He's Renee. And I've already interviewed the applicant's resume and portfolio and prepared to ask insightful questions and assess their skills, their because it is very important that they are conversational, they can explain things, and they have a very good connection. That's very important, right? Because if you're going to walk them through to their MetaMask, it's not good if you are buffering during the process. And also I assess their skills, and then after that, I provide a detailed report to our boss for his final decision. And some are routine inquiries, other requires research or follow-ups. I prioritize respond to urgent requests. So that's the reason why sometimes I respond. You may think that I respond, so low, but I prioritize it through the first come first serve basis, and forward relevant information to boss for his review. And of course, I need to make sure that I'm providing the right information. If there are some things that I don't know, I call him immediately and ask the experienced onboarders, just to make sure that everything would be good, because we're MetaMask is about your money that you earned in full funding, right? So I also make a bug report, comes from a member of the, if there are some experiencing technical issues. But first, I quickly assess the issue, then gather the necessary information that I needed, and determine if I can resolve it by myself first before forwarding it to the programmer. because sometimes it's just some um for example, if you forgot your password, you just only need to walk them through to the website, then forgot password, right? Then you're gonna receive it through your email. So many technical issues can be fixed with a simple as that. So if the problem requires more specialized knowledge, that's the time that I ask, I escalate that one to the programmers, providing them with a clear and concise description of the issues. When a client reaches out with questions about, like, for example, some inquiries, I access or, I ask first with the boss, if, that's question is something that unfamiliar, because even when you are, with the years of um staying here, there's still some questions that you need, knowledge from our boss, from Ace, so but first, I need to make a research first by my own. I need to research the client's inquiry first, then try if I can resolve it by my own, then ensure that their needs are met promptly and professionally. For the boss, our boss needs our boss Ace needs a quick report on the progress of the specific task that he wants me to do. So I assess and gather some data, information that I need, and prepare a concise and informative report, ensuring that Ace has the information that he needs to make informed decision. So the day includes with the final review with our boss schedule, ensuring that all virtual meetings are confirmed, deadlines are met, and any last minute requests are addressed. So even sometimes even more than like 10 p.m. or 11 a.m., as long as I'm still, alive, I'm still active, I'm not yet sleeping, I respond to them, to the inquiries, just to make sure that I address it as soon as possible, because I want to, make sure that everything will feel that I don't want them to feel that they are left behind. I want to make sure that everything will feel welcome and family and supporting each other. So while the virtual world may present unique challenges, it also offers a sense of flexibility and autonomy that allows me to work efficiently and effectively. To be honest, as of now, there's an outage here, but I have a backup, internet connection, and I also have power generator, just to make sure that I can attend my shifts and there's no issue. Last week I feel sick, but I'm still on my shift, because I want to make sure that I perform my job well. So I am constantly every day I'm constantly learning, especially if I'm doing some Zoom meeting with that's why if there's some inquiry with me, I usually send them a Zoom link, then I walk them through the process, and they show it to me that this is the error message, this is what I got. So I'm also adopting and expanding my skill set to meet and to meet the ever changing demands of being a virtual assistant, executive assistant, um and by committing to providing exceptional support and solving problems proactively, and ensuring that our boss has the resources he needs to succeed, is unwavering. And I just want, I'm so, honored to be here, to be honest.
Bravo, 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 bravo.
Thank you, Maria. Does anybody have any comments or questions for Maria? Like any issues with the wallet or any,
I gotta go
Or-
bathroom. Waiting on me?
I just want to say I think Maria is absolutely awesome. She
I
helped
gotta
me
go
with
number 2.
one of my people.
Love you. Love you.
Thank
awesome.
I'm always happy to help, you know. That's I remember that there was I forgot her name, but she needs help. Like that's 3 p.m. here in the Philippines. That's 3 a.m. in the US. So she called me. Then you know, I'm still sleeping that time. I'm not gonna put my phone on a silent mode for the, you know, emergency, because um I know if there's an incoming call, that's important, you know. So she make calls, then you know, she asked my help. She forgot her username. Then I escalated it right away to the, you know, programmer, because I don't have access to that. The only thing that I can do, I only have limited access. The only thing that I can do is to, you know, reset the password. But when it comes to the username, don't have access to that. Then she asked me, "Why are you still awake?" You know. Then she said sorry repeatedly for bothering me. So then I told her, "No, you're not bothering me. I'm so happy to help." That's what I always told to my, you know, inquirers.
You are awesome,
And
Maria.
it's in
We appreciate
Palawan.
you. Anybody have like any issues they might want to run across Maria? See if we can do any troubleshooting or help with wallets or anything at all? Anybody?
Yeah. If
I
you
got
are if you want as well, you can send me a direct message. You know my Telegram already, right? Please don't post me on GC that I'm a scammer. I remember one person put me on GC that, you know, this Maria is a scammer. Does anyone see that?
No, I didn't see that.
Oh,
Then I posted on GC that I'm not a scammer. I'm a legit, you know, ACE executive assistant. Then he sent me a PM, a direct message, apologizing, but it's okay because we need to be careful. That's also the message that we pinned to our GC, right? Someone's trying to, you know, uses our boss picture, the names. So please don't, you know, provide them money. Don't give them money, especially your keys, the private key. That's very important.
And beware of the scammer, the ace impersonator. He's out there
Yeah.
and he's trying to scam people. Uh, so okay, if anybody else has any comments or closing comments towards Maria, or any questions or anything they'd like to share, please do.
I got one question. This is
Sure.
Ed.
Hi, Ed.
Hi. I got a problem with one of my people. We're trying to get into the chat group with all the people, and he needs to provide a photograph, and it won't take his photograph. I tried doing it from my computer; it wouldn't take it there either. So I can't explain it. I don't know how to get around it.
Okay, good night, honey. Thank you very much.
I will help him. I will help him. Don't worry. I think it's just only the username. You can send me a direct message. Then let's do a Zoom call. If you want, we can do it today or maybe tonight. Like maybe 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. in your country, or 8 a.m., 9 a.m. I can do that. Just send me a direct message. Then I'm happy to help.
Okay, thank you.
Because I need to check you know, his account just to make sure that everything is good and everything is, you know, set. Then we can do that.
Awesome. Anybody else? Going once, going twice. Okay, Maria, I thank you so very much for stepping in tonight. Thank you for the value that you had to share. I greatly appreciate you, and thank you again, Maria.
You're welcome. Just remember, guys, okay, my Telegram